Hello everyone, this is TechBizmo, and welcome back once again to another video. I am officially on my Dell XPS 12, and for proof, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys my system specifications. As you guys can see, it says Intel Core i7-4500U CPU clocked at 1.8 GHz with that dual core, that really awesome dual core and that really awesome only 1.8 GHz and that really awesome only 8 GB of RAM. Because you know me, I upgrade to 16 GB of RAM, which sadly I cannot do it on this machine because the RAM is soldered into the motherboard. Yeah, by the way, I will be making a list and it'll be up by the end of the week on, pros and cons of this laptop and pros and cons of the Dell Latitude E6430. It is not looking good for the Dell XPS 12, I apologize. So there's just something to let you guys know. For more proof, I'm going to go ahead and head over to the display settings. As you guys can see, right now it's set on 1600 by 900. But we can crank that up to 1920 by 1080, which I'm not going to do because this thing gets really whiny and really annoying when I record in 1920 by 1080 resolution, so that's why it's cranked down to 1600 by 900. Still don't believe me? Well, here you go. Yep. Flip screen, all that stuff. Well, anyways, guys, that is pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. Gets really whiny and really annoying when I record in 1920 by 1080 resolution, so that's why it's cranked down to 1600 by 900. Still don't believe me? Well, here you go. Yep. Flip screen, all that stuff.